I really wanted to share with you today some very cute and very easy crochet edging ideas. I think it's perfect for Valentine's Day. And really, if you love hearts, then any time of the year, they're very easy and very, very beautiful. Let's take a look. So for this heart, make one single crochet like this and then chain 3. Now, to make the picot stitch, insert your hook not into the first chain but right at the top stitch through both loops, like this, and make a slip stitch. Okay, that's your first picot, which forms half of the heart. So to make the second half, you're going to chain 3 again. So 1, 2, 3, and make another slip stitch into that same sort of spot between the 2 loops, right here. And now to anchor both picots, you just going to put a slit stitch right here, right into the white stitch. And you can just add a few single crochet or slip stitches in between hearts, so to space them out. But yeah, that's it. You'll have these tiny, pretty picot hearts, and you can make as many as you need. The next version is the chain hearts. Super quick, very easy. So you start by chaining 4, and then you have to make a 1 slip stitch into the base. So right where you started. Like this, and that's half of your heart. Now you will chain 4 again, like this. And then into the same base stitch, you will make another slip stitch. And these are your little chain hearts. They're super simple, very cute, and very fast to make. On the pattern, you notice that I said before chaining, do 1 single crochet. I like it both ways, so honestly, it doesn't matter. The heart itself is made by chaining 4 and making a slip stitch 2 times. The last one is my absolute favorite, the spike stitch heart. So here we will be using a half double crochet spike stitch. And so if you've never done spike stitch before, you will not insert your hook here like you would normally do. But for a spike stitch, you have to insert your hook a few rows down. So for this pattern, it will be 3 rows down. So let's do it. So yarn over, and then insert your hook right here, like this. And then just yarn over again and finish it just like a regular half double crochet by pulling through all 3. Move it a little bit. There you go. See, that's your half double crochet spike stitch. Now find the next stitch, this one, and into that 1 stitch we're going to make 1 half double crochet, then to the same stitch another half double crochet, then to the same stitch 1 double crochet, like this, then again 1 more half double crochet, and finally 1 slip stitch into that same stitch, like this. And that finishes the first half of your heart. See? So we're going to find next stitch, this one, and into that stitch we will make 1 slip stitch, then 1 half double crochet, then 1 double crochet, and then 2 half double crochet. So 1 and 2. So see? So now we just have to close the heart and make that line by making that half double crochet spike stitch again. So right to that same spot. It's pretty long, whole stitch like this. See? There's your heart. So we're just going to finish by pulling through all 3. And there it is. Beautiful heart shape, right? So, and that's it. You just continue working around your edge, separating each heart with about 3 or 4 single crochet or slip stitches, whatever looks best for your project. Easy, pretty, and just perfect for Valentine's Day. So if you'd like the written pattern, it's available on my Pinterest, so you can pin it, save it, print it. Yeah, so thank you for joining me today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you like my videos and if you enjoyed this tutorial. And as always, stay cozy and see you soon. Bye!